going to turn this light on. It's going to be like getting flashbanged.
Okay, so let me explain why we're just walking around in the dark. We got some winter sleeping bags that are on sale and we just want to test them out with a little bit of winter camping. So we found this random tower while I was out on a bike trip, and we've been wanting to find it ever since. Look, here's a picture of me in it, cooking some noodles, and that was 8 years ago. So that's the mission. Find the tower, eat some food, be cold, and have a sleep. And if you do end up liking the video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.
Ah. Hello.
Hello.
It's bright, isn't it? Problem is I can't put it down any brightness.
Right.
I can put it up.
What do you mean up?
I can put it up.
Put it up then, I want to see what you're talking about.
Oh, that's off.
Oh,
No, wait. Right, there we go. Ready? And you got to look at it.
oh.
Oh, a bit more. Oh, like a collapsed sun. I think it's a bit too bright, to be fair. The problem is, because we've done that, we've now destroyed his night vision. It's going to take at least 30 minutes for his eyes to readjust to the darkness.
Are you lying?
No.
No. Please don't say that.
Yep. So I'm going to talk to you with my eyes closed.
Don't stand on that.
At least your water didn't go in the water. Oh shit.
Yeah, exactly.
That is proper slippery.
Yeah, I did not expect that. Ah, my watch came off.
Your watch came off?
Yeah.
It's almost as if walking around in the dark when it's icy is a bad idea. Check them out. All that money and you're still wearing your ass. Yeah, I mean we're heading in generally the right direction. In here we'd have a bit more shelter. It's just the ground, it's so muddy.
No.
But at least it's dry.
Alright.
Yeah, why not?
I think it is, I'll be honest. Sort of here.
Yeah, up against this wall. Then we've got loads of wind protection here. So it changes in the middle of the night and it chucks us off.
Candy is not great, but it's dry. It's one piece, huh? That is.
It's a window.
Window.
Look at that rope there swinging.
What is that that's dangling?
Like a pipe or something.
That is actually a cotton pipe.
That was the last time I played with it last time. I remember that, I played with it.
At least if it falls, it'll just impale down there.
I'd be sleeping outside if I looked up there and a face was there.
Got them right. Yeah, I'm just moving up.
Oh, there we go. Means it's Christmas. We've got the Christmas lights up. Looking lovely. What else popped here? Let's get some food. Chicken korma.
Oh. Do you know what I'm saying?
Remember?
Yeah.
Weirdly, I brought that bread.
Oh, really? No.
I've got 6.
You more people coming like?
Oh, I invited everyone. I'm surprised no one's turned up yet. Must be traffic. I'm going to cook it in the can. See if that works. Chicken korma. Hopefully this works. We shall see. Right, as it's heating up, it's wanting to come out of the can. Oh, it's doing well. I just can't remember to clean the pot. Oh, that's a good noise. Sounds fruity, doesn't it? Do you want an bread? Oh. Got me some naan breads. Looked like coming out like a tube. Weird. You kept expanding up. You got about that high for it to turn gas off. And it just went. What else am I supposed to do? I wonder if I'm the first person to eat a korma in here. if I'm not, I'd be surprised. What? With naan bread. With chicken korma. Got steam going on that. There's some naan bread and dip in there. Go on. Oh, I'm just going up a naan bread on though.
Taste sensation.
You all laughed at me.
Oh, there's only me and you.
No dip.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, have a dip. I'll put another naan bread on.
Call me in a can.
Well, mate, as well.
It's not bad.
Right, got this naan bread.
Oh, she's bubbling.
Yeah, it's suddenly got foggy over here. They make me so happy. That's one of the best things I've eaten.
Since that spam the other day. That chicken.
Oh, that chicken roll in a can.
Yeah.
Someone sloshing. Nescafe 3-in-1, where is that? So I can't get signal anywhere except for the bit where the wind is the coldest. There.
Mine's there.
Yeah. If I go over there where it's freezing, I get signal. So I can go out there for a little bit, check my messages, and come back in.
I'm telling you now, if I see this on Rightmove,
Yeah.
4 floors,
Yeah.
I've even saw the layout. Kitchen, living space, and bedrooms.
I like it.
Thanks.
We keep this copper pipe?
Just
I think you
down.
have to.
Yeah. No, don't do that.
It's wet in there.
There's also a pipe here as well. I think that's your bath. Actually,
Oh, there's something in here.
don't do like this. I've changed the layout. This is my bath.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, a shower.
Actually, it could be. I mean, the pipe's down there. Is it just a? It's a foot shower.
Right. Oh, we're upstairs. Nice one.
Well, what time does the sunrise?
Say that on me. You watch.
Does it actually tell you? Yeah.
Sunrise will be at 08:10, but it will start twilighted at 07:28.
Time is it then?
We watched under that.
Oh.
It does everything else, but not under that. 20 to 1.
Oh, bloody hell.
You dirty little stuff out. Why the wind just stop?
It's gone quiet. It's really eerie.
Did someone turn the wind off? The doors are back on. That was weird.
That was strange.
I've been delighted. I think it is. Oh.
That Colin's got to you.
Yeah, it's probably all burnt on the bottom.
I don't know why I'm whispering. There's no here.
Someone here going, I'm here. That corner smelled nice. Got an bread left.
Actually, you've got one.
I had 3. I got 2. You can bring a name.
But you can't. You can bring nobody. Stop that.
I invited everyone here. Wait for everyone to turn up. Well, that's cool.
Build it straight.
I built it straight.
Yeah.
Someone stood at the bottom and he went, every brick went, left a bit, left a bit.
To be honest with you, I think it's cold inside here, but it's warmer than my house. I'm doing the whole thing.
Yeah.
I'm going to put myself in zone.
Got my new sleeping bag. Like OEX Fathom 400.
You know what I mean?
How much were these sleeping bags?
How much? 30 quid?
Yeah, something like that, wasn't it?
Yeah, we got them open, didn't we?
Oh, Christmas is over.
What's up?
My lights fell down.
Oh no. I'm not even in my bloody sleeping bag yet.
Sort of little sockies out.
I'm currently fighting with a sleeping bag, trying to find out which way it goes.
Jess is going to be well confused because the last thing I sent to her was, love you, I had a chicken korma and a naan bread. She went, where the f have you gone? My watch is saying it's -1.
You know me?
My watch is saying it's -1.
Oh yeah. Mate, I'm actually like toasty. How about you?
Yeah, I feel alright. My feet are a bit cold.
Yeah.
I'm just getting them warmed back up now. Cut to me in a couple of hours and I'm divering. Been a good trip though, so far. You fell over.
Yeah. I tried to like put my arm into my sleeping bag and it did hurt.
The problem is you can pull your shoulder reaching for your seatbelt.
I actually can. Yeah, I know.
I've seen you do it. Right, because my phone gets signal up there, we're not down here. Hold it up. I got an email. See, it's working. I got an email. Off to sleep. Good night. Morning. Hey up. It's nice to be able to see.
Yeah.
Same, I've got a brew on. I've had to switch to my phone camera because my Insta camera, the cold's got to it and drained all the battery. Bacon. Coffee. Cold. It's actually so much warmer in here.
It actually is. I mean, we probably should have camped inside here,
Nah, I want to be outside.
but sure that's shit. Yeah.
Nescafe 3-in-1s. Oh, lovely. Bang loads in. Great. Bang it in. Can you open one up?
Yeah, why did you have that in your mouth?
Body cam. I'm sorry. I'm not. This caffee's only new, I'm only learning. Oh. Nearly lost that one. There you go.
Thanks, love, is this mine?
Bacon. I lost the bacon. Well then, with that absolute shocking news of me losing a bacon, I'm back at home now. That was it. That was the end of the trip. We just ate some bacon, had a walk back to the car, and came back home. So that was our sort of first wild camp, especially in the dark and at winter. So as I mentioned, I got a new sleeping bag. So it's the OEX Evolution Fathom 400. So this sleeping bag has got a comfort range down to -1. And throughout the night, we just started to dip out of that comfort range down to sort of, when you're looking at real feel with the wind and everything like that, we were at like -4 through the night. And I could definitely tell that we were stepping out of the comfort range of the bag because I had my thermals on, a jacket on, and I could still feel the cold just starting to creep in. I mean, when I woke up in the morning, I did feel warm, to be fair. But there was times in the middle of the night where I woke up and I was a bit like, oh, that is a bit cold. But I am impressed with the sleeping bag. There is other factors that might not have helped. So one of the things that I need to look at is my sleep mat. Now, this, I would say you'd say it's a summer sleep mat really, because it hasn't got that good of an R rating. So maybe getting one of these that's got a bit more of an R rating might help, or getting a cheap roll mat and just cutting it out to the shape of this and putting that down with this as well on top. Just give me a bit more insulation from the ground, because I could definitely tell through the night, I could feel a little bit of cold creeping in through the ground through this, and I could feel the sort of heat coming away from me down into the ground, rather than staying in the bag. So I don't think that helped with the sleeping bag either. So maybe a combination of looking at a better sleep mat or roll mat combination and the sleeping bag might do me a lot better. And the other thing was the tent. At the minute, my Tag R2 is the best tent I've got, and I haven't really got a purpose winter tent. The problem with the Tag R is, especially for winter, it is very ventilated, and that is because in summer you get your condensation on there, and the ventilation is to try and combat that condensation. But in the winter, the ventilation just allows cold air to get in and just cool the inside of the tent down and make you cold. So what I ended up doing was the back of the tent, where the back slope comes down, there was a piece of wood, and just laying that on top just to try and lay that flat almost and not allow any wind to come underneath and get into the tent. And that did work, but it's not perfect. And maybe looking into something like a more purpose-built winter tent could also be a massive, massive help to keeping me nice and warm. Korma in a can, yeah, it was all right. I wouldn't cook it like that again. There's much better ways to cook it. I just wanted to give it a go. So yeah, that is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please do like, subscribe. If you've got any questions, leave me a comment, or just want to say hello, just leave me a comment. I'll get back to you. So in the future, I'm just going to keep making videos and hopefully enjoy them. So I will see you next time. See you later.